Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to be restoring some of my vintage candy, and this is it. This is the last video for now until I come across some more that need restored. 2 jelly bracelets. This is one of my favorites. I do remember I did restring this. Well, I don't know when I did, but this was one of my favorites. For some reason, this reminded me of a watermelon. I don't know. But I like that it's random, and I like the shades. It's just a super fun single. Some Lisa Frank beads. I love this one. And these are all this candy is from the early 2000s. But I love these chunky hearts. Now this one's a little loose, but it's still in good shape. It has a really thick elastic. And I've worn this one a lot. It's got a fun pattern. Now this was a pants chain that was given to me. I think at Electromass in Indiana. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure Candy Kid named Beads from Indy gave this to me. But this is still in pretty good shape, so we won't have to repair this. Now these two we will have to repair. I love this one. And I love this one too. So this one has some like really unique string. It's like, I don't know, really stretchy. And I don't know, the knot's interesting right there. I think that they knotted around or tied it around both of these beads. But I really like this one too. Now this piece is pretty wild back here. It's all one piece. This was my rave pacifier. It has pom-poms. It has all kinds of crazy beads on it, so we'll go through it. And it has my whistle, which broke. And I used to give these away. So this was from a slinky that I cut up. And we would put these on our visors. Or I would put them on people's visors. But oh my God, these are old on here. I retired this thing like a long time ago. I don't know where to start. Maybe we'll start with the whistle part. This is like on the side of it. It has a lot of things going on. So if this was in your mouth, this little guy would be hanging. And it opens up. It's a compass. Okay, but this whistle part is just on the side. And I'm pretty sure this has a lot of beads from this bead kit that I found at Target that had so many cool beads. Like these were in there, I remember. And these were really cool too. These little charms were from Hobby Lobby. Early 2000s. pom-poms. There's more of those charms in there. Yeah, these are from that Target bead kit. Man, I'm on the hunt for that bad boy. I remember it being really big too. Lots of pom-poms on here. More of those charms. I love those charms. Teddy bear and this star clip. And then here's some more of those different charms. And this hat clip is super old. Probably one of my first. I got at Aladdin's Castle. Okay. Let's repair these two. Where's that knot? I wonder if that'll go through. Oh, goodness. I didn't know if it would. Uh-oh, I'm not going to be able to get the needle through that. Okay, that went through easier than I thought it would. Okay, I'm going to cut that original string. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tie this and then figure out how to get that off there. Yeah, it is tied on there. Well, that looks and feels so much better. But here's that string, like, it was falling apart for sure. I don't know what kind of string this is, but it's like really, really stretchy. I can't believe it lasted as long as it did. Like, I kind of feel like when I got it, it was loose, so it held up good. This one's going to be easy. I remember being so excited when I got this bracelet. They let me pick it out. It was at the Roller Dome in Dayton. can't remember her name, though. Well, how did I get tied up on there? Okay, well, let's tie this first. I don't know what's going on. This is just coming apart and then... Oh, there we go. This one's small, but I could still fit it. Okay. There's the old string. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this series and this video. I'll see you next time.